Namaste from me to you. I am Sharmila and welcome to Swayambhu Discover Yourself. Today our focus will be on form, F-O-R-M, form, follow, father, get. So let's start with form, F-O-R-M, form. Form a habit, form a group, form a company, application form, registration form. That company was formed in 1901. The company is hiring people. Fill this application form and send it to them. Water can be found in three forms: liquid, solid, and gas. Heat is a form of energy. Heat is a form of energy. Students, form two lines. Sign this admission form. You need to attach your photo to the application form. Once you have formed a bad habit, you can't get rid of it easily. Once you have formed a bad habit, you can't get rid of it easily. The children formed a circle. Swimming is a form of exercise. The second word is follow. F-O-L-L-O-W, follow. Follow me. Follow up. Follow by. Follow the leader. Follow your heart. Following are the sentences for the word follow. Follow your heart to do what you want. Are you a follower or a leader? Be a leader to find out what you want. Write out a plan and be a follower to follow your plan. Be a leader to find out what you want. Write out a plan and be a follower to follow your plan. We must follow the rules of the game. Excuse me, can you tell me the way to the park? Follow me and I'll show you the way. To fix the trolley, follow the instructions given. We follow a definite procedure to cook different items. The third word is father. F-A-T-H-E-R, father. My father. Father and son. Father and daughter. Like father, like son. Father figure. How is your father? He is fine now. How old is your father? Where is your father? My father is out. My father is in his room. My father is busy now. I am proud of my father. My father gets up early. This is my father's house. Raji looks like her father. What's your father's name? My father is a businessman. Your father is tall. Yes, he is. My father is a good father. John is Mary's father-in-law. The fourth word is get. G-E-T, get. Get in, get up, get back, get out, get on, get off, get down. Ness, let's get some cucumber and onions to make our sandwiches. Good idea, Ken. It's a healthy way of eating. I'll get some beetroots and tomatoes too. Let's make some veg sandwiches. When do you usually get up? I get up at 6 in the morning. How are you now? How's your fever? Oh, it's fine. It's okay. Get well soon. When did you get home? I got home at 5:30 p.m. Excuse me, where can I get a taxi? How can I get to the station? I am hungry. I need to get something to eat. Nice haircut. Where did you get your hair cut? The chair is broken. You did better get someone to fix it. I'll take care of my parents when they get old. So today we are done with 4 words: form, follow, father, get. That's all for today. Meet you in my next video. Till then, stay healthy, stay happy, stay blessed, and take care.